Alright guys, exciting news today. Just got off work and first thing I saw in my email notification was the exhaust system just got delivered. So I raced home and about to install this beautiful Invidia exhaust. It's a dual catback. The type of exhaust is called an N1 GT. I have it laid out already guys, and now I'm excited. Look at this. I always love the burnt tips. Not sure why some people go without them, but I don't know. I just love the style of the burnt tips at the end. But yeah, I'm ready to put this puppy on. And let me show you guys what it sounds like stock so I can show you guys a little before and after. Alright guys, now that I got the car up, I'm gonna start installing the exhaust. This is the fresh hardware it came with, so I'm gonna be using all the new stuff and throw the old ones in the trash. I'm gonna be installing piece by piece. I'm doing this part first. And this is where I begin. Right over, let's see my finger. Okay, right there. Start that piece in. And then I will be showing you little clips of me putting each part piece by piece, and I'll just watch me struggle so you don't see like a long 40-minute video. So yeah guys, let me get started with that. Oh, also forgot to mention, they uses a 14mm socket. So yeah, let me get started. Then look at this, boys. Sick as fuck, boy. Alright guys, I actually had to put it right outside for more sunlight because it was getting a little bit dimmer inside the garage. But they're finally on. They look amazing. I love how it has the brand on the side of them. I think it's on both sides. Yeah, it's on both sides, so it kind of looks really dope with the burnt tips. Let me show you what it looks like. Yep, you see the fucking mufflers right there? All the way down the exhaust system. So I want to show you guys what it sounds like now. Looks amazing. Yep, there's the side view. Love the burnt tip, guys. And let me show you guys and let me rev it up and do a couple pulls with it. Alright guys, that was the takeoff and the pull, and showed you guys a couple revs. That's how it sounds. I'm satisfied, happy. It costed me about $1,300, well worth the money. It's a full catback exhaust system, so yeah, that's what it sounds like. On everything else is stock Cadillac converters and the stock headers, everything else is stock. It was an aftermarket exhaust. So yeah guys, that's what it sounds like. Pretty nice. I'm in love with it, like it.